If you are looking for the best Dutch oven, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on a personal preference and started it based on the features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we have included options for every type of customer. So, let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have large 6-quart enameled cast iron Dutch oven. This porcelain enameled cast iron Dutch oven comes in a variety of exterior colors with a cream-colored interior. While hand washing is recommended, it can be washed in a dishwasher. But it's oven safe to 500 degrees for baking or broiling and holds 6 quarts. It can be used on any cooktop, including gas, electric, or induction, but it shouldn't be used on outdoor grills or over campfires. The tight-fitting lid helps retain moisture during cooking. Our tester also gives the large high marks for how well it distributed and retained heat. Because of the double layer of enamel coating inside and out, this can be used for marinating, cooking, storing, and serving. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Le Creuset enameled cast iron 5.5 quart round Dutch oven. This pot is an all-around winner but comes with a steep price point. It's big enough to prepare most dishes, but not so large that it is too difficult to move. It is an enamel coating so you can cook anything in it, and like most Dutch ovens, it can be used on the stove top or in the oven. The knob is either metal or a composite material that's safe to 500 degrees. For more versatility, the knob is removable, so if you need to cook at an even higher temperature, you can buy a replacement metal knob. The Le Creuset exceeded our tester's expectation in terms of heat distribution and retention. The pot's high sides and heat-conducting properties made evenly browning of whole chicken a quench. She raves. The Le Creuset Dutch oven comes in a wide variety of colors to mix and match with anyone's kitchen decor. Like other cast iron pots, this one is heavy. The 5.5 quart model weighs just over 11 pounds and it can weigh 20 pounds or more when it's filled with food. Le Creuset cast iron pots are made in France, and if you're looking for a large size or prefer an oval shape, Le Creuset has those as well. The number 3 position is held by large 5-quart pre-seasoned cast iron double Dutch oven. This raw cast iron Dutch oven comes pre-seasoned to give you a head start on getting a perfectly non-stick pot, but that's not the best part. The lid of this Dutch oven doubles as a skillet with these 2 side handles, so you get 2 pots in one for an incredibly low price. Simmer your soup in the pot and make corned bread in the skillet at the same time. The downside of the skillet feature is that the lid doesn't have a top handle for lifting, and our tester noted that the handle does get very hot when used. Raw cast iron cookware is safe for use at an over temperature as well as an outdoor grill or campfire. At super high temperatures or when cleaning temperatures, the seasoning can burn off. It won't hurt the cookware, you would just need to season it again. Next at number 4, we have Termontania enabled cast iron 6.5 quart round Dutch oven. If you're not willing to spend a lot for a single piece of cookware, this Dutch oven offers many of the same features at a much lower price point. The large size is great for big families with large roasts or poultry, and the cookware has a durable enamel coating. While this has a metal knob, the cookware is only rated to oven temperatures of 4-5 degrees, so you won't be able to use it for some of the no-knead bread recipes that require higher temperatures. While this Dutch oven is considerably heavier than some others according to some reviewers, they're pleased with its design and how evenly it distributes heat. The number 5 position is held by Storp cast iron 6-quart cotton shallow white round cocktail. This pot is wider and slightly shorter than other pots of the same size, but you can still fit an average-sized chicken in the pot. Meanwhile, the large bottom surface means you can brown more food at one time before braising. Many reviewers are happy with how well this cookware browns. With fewer hot spots than some of its competitors, this Dutch oven also has a black interior that is less likely to show food stains. Knobs on the interior of the lid send moisture raining down on the food for self-basting. The top knob is small but raised high enough to make it easy to grasp when removing the lid. The lid is oven safe to 500 degrees, while the pot can handle up to 900 degrees. This cookware is made in France and is available in several different colors. The number 6 position is dominated by Camp Chef Classic Pre-Seasoned Dutch Oven. Heading for the great outdoors, this camp-style uncasted, uncoated cast iron Dutch oven has feet to raise it over hot cold, and the flat lid is designed so you can place coals on top for heating on top. The tight-fitting lid keeps moisture in during cooking and can also be used as a griddle. The Dutch oven arrives pre-seasoned, so you can pack it for your trip as soon as it arrives, but the coating will improve with additional seasoning and use. This holds 6 quarts, which is perfect for solo camping trips or cooking for small groups. It's a truly versatile piece of cookware. You can also flip the lid over to use it as a skillet or griddle. While this is oven safe, it might be awkward to use because of the legs. It might work on a gas cooktop, depending on your stove grade, but it is not recommended for an electric or induction cooktop. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Camp Chef pre-seasoned square cast iron Dutch oven. Round Dutch ovens are the most common, but there are times when a square Dutch oven is the better choice. Many reviewers rave about how versatile this square Dutch oven is. It's great for making even rows of biscuits or buns, or for baking cornbread or brownies, but it's just as good for roasts, casseroles, and more since it has a roomy 8-quart volume. The Dutch oven and a lid are pre-seasoned, so you can use it right away, but the surface becomes even more non-stick with extra seasoning and use. The lid is reversible and has raised ridges, so it can also be used as a stove-top grill, which should be hand washed. The number 8 position is held by Sollief's enameled cast iron Dutch oven with lid 1.5 quart. The Sollief's 1.5 quart Dutch oven is just right the size for individuals and couples. While the brand also makes large models, this one is great for making small quantities of food. It's made from enameled cast iron with a microporous non-stick cooking surface. The heavy lid is designed with both rings and studs to ensure that condensation and condensation circulates evenly back into your food. It's compatible with all styles of cooktops, including induction. While it is dishwasher safe, the manufacturer recommends washing it by hand to prolong its lifespan. This little guy weighs in at just under 8 pounds. Next at number 9 we have Cuisinart Chef Classic 7-quart covered casserole. Whether you are making stew for a big family meal or preparing a double batch to freeze for later, this large Dutch oven from Cuisinart is up to the task. With a 7-quart capacity, it's the perfect size for big batches of soup, sauce and stew, and a variety of other dishes. It offers superior heat retention and distribution, which is great for slow cooking at low temperatures. This enameled Dutch oven is dishwasher safe and is compatible with a variety of cooktops, including induction. The knob is heat resistant and oven safe. It weighs 16.9 pounds. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Legend Cast Iron Dutch Oven 5-quart multi-cooker. This unique product from Legend Cast Iron is 2 pieces of cookware in one. It features a 5-quart cast iron Dutch oven with a lid that doubles as a 10-inch skillet. This dominant lid serves other purposes too. It's great for baking bread as it allows for the loaf to rise completely. This multi-use tool comes pre-seasoned with 100% vegetable oil. It includes 2 removable, heat-safe silicone grippers that can tolerate temperatures of up to 500 degrees. It weighs 13.48 pounds and works on any type of heat source, including induction stoves and campfires. That's all for today. We upload tech product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.